In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma styles. We're going to walk through the simplest path to creating reusable styles in Figma so your designs stay consistent and easy to update. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. Sign in if you're not already, and you'll land on your Figma home screen where your files and projects live. From here, click All Projects to view everything organized by project. This is the best place to keep related files together, especially if you're collaborating. Locate the project you want to work in and click it to open. Give it a second to load. You'll see your canvas, and on the right, the Properties panel where styles are managed. Look to the right-hand panel for the Styles section. When you're ready to make a new style, click the plus icon. This opens the style creation options and is your gateway to building a reliable design system in your file. You can create 4 kinds of styles here: text, color, effect, and layout grid. Text styles capture font family, weight, size, line height, and letter spacing in one reusable token. This is perfect for headings, body copy, captions, and labels. A helpful tip is to name text styles clearly, like type heading 1 or type body 16, so anyone on your team instantly understands where to use them. Color styles store fills and strokes you'll reuse across your design. Use naming like color brand primary or color neutral 100 to make it easy to find and maintain. The real power of color styles is that if you ever adjust the color, every instance in your file updates automatically, keeping your interface consistent. Effect styles let you define shadows and blurs. These are great for elevation, depth, and focus states. Consider naming them by purpose and intensity, such as effect shadow, medium. Consistent effects help interfaces feel cohesive and polished. Layout grid styles, sometimes called layout guides, define column, row, or grid systems for frames. Use these to keep spacing, alignment, and responsive behavior consistent across screens. You can standardize common grids, like a 12-column desktop grid or a 4-point spacing system, and apply them to frames again and again. Once you've created the style you need, it's available in your right-hand panel to apply and reuse. As you build more styles, keep names structured and organized so they're easy to search and share. That's the essence of Figma styles. Set them up once, and your entire design stays in sync.